A lot of time people have asked me what is the best sneaker under budget for running, walking, gym, some kind of activities, sports activities, and finally I have come up with top 3 sneakers. I have something for you in the end, like bonus sneakers as well, but I'm going to unbox top 3 sneakers from different brands under 5,000, under 4,000, under 3,000 as well. So this is going to be a crazy video. What is up, people? This is Kamlia, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, I'm super excited for this because I don't do a lot of sports shoes kind of a video, and today we are doing it, so it's going to be fun, it's going to be interesting because I hope you guys like this video. And do let me know in the end what you guys feel about the sneakers, what you guys think about the choices I have picked. So this is going to be fun, exciting. So let's unbox the first sneaker and see what you guys think about it. Let's unbox this. This is Puma Fade Pro. My first impression, I just love the colorway, design and the structure of the sneaker. The full navy blue mesh upper with that silver Puma side stripe on it looks beautiful. And the most beautiful part on the sneaker is that gradient midsole. Just look at that, how beautiful it looks. The sneaker is very light. The midsole has that pro foam technology which gives you that cushion under your feet. It has really good roomy toe box and a very beautiful outsole. This is from the Puma running category, and I feel this is one of the best sneaker you could have under this price point. This sneaker is really comfortable, fits true to size. It has that good amount of bounce. You can really run in it. Great for gym as well. Any sports activity, looks aesthetically pleasing as well. And I got this pair for 4,399 rupees. That is an amazing price for this beautiful pair. Moving towards the second sneaker on this list, and it is from Reebok. Yes, Reebok makes some great quality sneakers like running shoes. So let's unbox it. This is Reebok Zik Titanica, a full grey upper sneaker with really thick midsole and a very flat outsole. The colorway on the sneaker is very interesting. I feel this looks very minimal but bold at the same time because of the design. I would really recommend this sneaker for gym. If you're looking for something like that, this is a great pair for that. Great cushion under your feet, fits true to size, priced so very well and looks good. Everything in this one sneaker. I got this pair for 3,299 rupees. It is 3,300 rupees. Yes, this beautiful pair for 3,300 rupees. That is damn good. And I don't know if you have noticed it, the name says Zik Titanica. That is so interesting. Let's move towards the third sneaker on this list, and it is from Asics. I have unboxed a lot of Asics sneakers, some very expensive Asics sneakers like 18,000, 19,000, all of that. And that time you guys told me we need something under budget. So here I have something under budget, like really under budget. So let's unbox this. This is Asics Jolt 4. First thing first, very interesting colorway. That dark teal upper with hints of fluorescent green all over the sneaker, and that black Asics logo looks beautiful. White midsole just complements it very well. The silhouette of the sneaker is very nice. The shoes has really good heel support, a very lightweight shoes and a very firm midsole. And trust me when I say this, it is not in a bad way. Like firm midsoles sometimes are very good, because sometimes very cushiony midsoles can twist your ankles. Like if you're not stable on your feet, you can twist it. So I have heard, I have experienced this a lot of times. If you have a good firm midsole, it keeps you stable, it keeps you grounded. So yes, that is very important sometimes. I don't know what is your requirement, but if you need something like that, this is a really good one. The outsole on this pair is really nice as well. This fits true to size, really nice in comfort, and I got it at an unbelievable price. That is 2,983 rupees. Yes, under 3,000 rupees. I told you guys I have everything today. Okay, now some bonus shoes for you guys. And if you're looking for some more budget friendly options, this you should definitely watch. You can definitely check out Puma Evoflex, a very beautiful, great quality shoes which you can get at an amazing price. That is 2,362 rupees. Even Lotto have come up with some good gym running shoes options like this Lotto Strikerun, which has a really thick midsole, and you can get it just for 2,639 rupees. Out of all this, which is your favorite? I feel I'll go for this any day. This looks very beautiful, like the color, I just liked it. So do let me know which one will you pick, and I have linked everything in the description. Go check it out. And if you like this video, I believe you will love this video as well. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Till then, Peace.